Welcome to Money Mindset Monday. In this video, we will unravel the concept of inflation, explain its causes, effects, and why it matters to you. First, let's start with the basics. What is inflation? Inflation is the sustained increase in the general price level of goods and services in an economy over a period of time. In simpler terms, it's when the prices of everyday things like groceries, gas, and housing go up consistently. Inflation is typically measured using something called the inflation rate, which is expressed as a percentage. It tells us how much prices have risen over a specific period, usually a year. For example, if the inflation rate is 2%, it means that, on average, the prices of goods and services have increased by 2% in that year. Now, let's dive into what causes inflation. There are two main types of inflation: demand pull inflation and cost push inflation. Demand pull inflation occurs when the demand for goods and services exceeds their supply. Imagine everyone suddenly wants the same popular toy. Its price will go up because the demand exceeds what manufacturers can produce. Cost push inflation, on the other hand, happens when the cost of producing goods and services rises, forcing producers to increase their prices. For instance, if the price of oil, a key ingredient in transportation and manufacturing, goes up, it can lead to cost push inflation as it affects various industries. Central banks, like the Federal Reserve in the United States, play a crucial role in managing inflation. They use monetary policy tools, such as interest rates, to control inflation. Lowering interest rates can stimulate spending and borrowing, potentially leading to demand pull inflation, while raising interest rates can cool down an overheated economy. So, why should you care about inflation? It affects your everyday life in several ways. Inflation erodes your purchasing power. If prices rise faster than your income, you can't buy as much with the same amount of money. Your savings also lose value over time. Inflation creates economic uncertainty. Businesses may struggle to plan for the future, and consumers may hesitate to make long-term financial commitments. Inflation impacts your investments. Some assets like stocks, real estate, or commodities can be a hedge against inflation, as their values may rise with increasing prices. In conclusion, inflation is a complex economic concept that affects us all. It can result from various factors, and its consequences are far-reaching. Understanding inflation is the first step toward making informed financial decisions and safeguarding your financial future. If you found this video informative, please like and share it to help others understand inflation better. And remember, staying informed is the key to financial well-being. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on economic and financial topics. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.